This is Airbnb on wheels. It's amazing a floor plan where I'm standing on the side patio on a brand new 2025 Sabre 37 RV miles. It has a rear room in the back with a loft, nice living room in the middle, nice kitchen in the middle, and a suite bedroom in the front. But the beauty about it is this balcony. I look at it, I call it not side patio as much as is a balcony, is I could access it from both ways. I could access it from the living area as well. I could access it also from the bunk room. So you could see I could access it from the bunk room. So I'm standing here in the bunk room with the loft, separate from the living room, or I could come also from the living room. So it's a two-way accessible. You could access living or the bunk room. Also, this is Airbnb fifth wheel, I call it. It has two power awnings. So there's a power awning with LED light over the balcony, and then there's one also in the main door. Let's go inside and show you this unit from inside so you could understand the concept of this fifth wheel. And whoever thought about this unit, it's amazing from the layout. So as you see, as soon you walk in from the entry door, you have a beautiful kitchen, L-shaped kitchen. Look how big the counter space is. Amazing. Nice prepping area on the right side of the stove, left side of the stove. There's a kitchen island with a fancy as well. This one, they give you all the residential. So this is a convection microwave. So it's an electric oven with a microwave. Nice cabinet on the side. Wine bottles, rack, prepping areas as we saw. And again, the counter space is a solid counter space. It's not formica or composites. They have the three-way sink, which is the waterfall, the rice faucet, the cup rinse, and the soap dispensers. And then all these has a place for your trash can and a place for your cooking pans, utensils. And then you're gonna say, now where's my pantry? Well, guess what? This is your pantry. So you have a big pantry here. As well, you have a place here where you have coffee makers, toasters, plugs. I mean, I want to show you the touch. Look, all these spice racks. So you could put all your spices here and you raise them on the top. And when you cook, you just open it. Endless, or we call them frameless shelves, as you see. Plug, more doors, more storage, more cabinet. And then there's another door here. I mean, look how deep this door. I mean, it's amazing. You could put all your cereals, you know, rice, sugars, salts, whatever you want to do for your pantry. And then you say, nah, it's not enough pantry. Well, come on. They can do this door, and you have even lit up. You put your hand and light up, and then you have 5 shelves of pantries here. Next to it, you have a table and a 4 chair. There's no post. You could see I could sit on the table on a 4 chair without hitting my knees. So that's another advantage for you. And then they still have another storage right there. So amazing is the kitchen on this. Amazing living area because it has the L-shaped lounge and it has the theater seating. So when you are sitting watching this 65-inch screen TV, voila, I'm sitting, relaxing, laying down, and a big smart TV in front of me with the 60-inch fireplaces, so I could watch the game. And while I'm sitting here watching the game or the movie, the wife is not in the middle of my way. Like some of them, fifth wheel, the kitchen is in the middle of the living. So the kitchen separation. So I like about this one is the separation between the kitchen, the living room, the second bedroom, and the first bedroom. Now, the concept what they did here is you live outdoor. What does it mean outdoor? They bring the outdoor inside your fifth wheel. And that's what they offer you, the side balcony. Like really, I mean, they give you exactly same like you have a house. A living room with the glass sliding doors, and you go to the backyard. Well, guess what? You're not going backyard here. You're going on a nice balcony, and you could see the nice nature. So you walk from here to this balcony. You could put lounge chairs. You put a breakfast bar. A chair and table, eat breakfast outside or eat lunch outside, sit, see the nice view. Unfortunately, you're seeing RVs now, but when you go camping, you're going to see trees, rivers, oceans, and so on. And the beauty about this side balcony is electric, so there's no hard physical work on you. And this balcony, they do a two-way access. I could access it from the living room, or I could access it going down over here from my bunk room. So I could access it both way, from here or the other side. Now, why they do it two access ways? Because they want to see if the kids, when they wake up in the morning, they want to go play, sit with their family outside in the balcony. They give you that option. Going here, we have a nice, beautiful sunk down floor and a nice, beautiful bedroom. This is a jackknife sofa, hide-a-bed sofa. This bed turned to complete bed, so I could sleep two people this way. Have a shelf, then they have their own closets, and then there's more. This, and they have all these bins for socks, underwears. I could sit here and watch movie. Now you're gonna say, wait, whoa, stop now. How are you gonna watch movie and there's a closet? Where's the TV? Where's the screen? Where's this? Well, guess what? I dropped this one here, and I have a projections come with the unit. It's right here, and I could sit, the kids, they could sit here, and they have almost 60-inch screen projection. They watch the movie they wanna watch. Show me a unit. Show me on a fifth wheel has the projections in the bunk room. It's not exist except this Airbnb, or I call it Sabre 37 RV Mile. So amazing. This people, they buy this unit and they use it as apartments. Some people, they buy this unit and a whole entire family live in it. So that's the beauty. And this is a big bed, because if you notice, you just only have to slide it to this side. Voila. Sounds so easy. And one person, two kids, one this side, one that side, or one big adult, you could do whatever here. You see? Very easy. I don't do nothing. I just use my hand. And then when I want to put it back, I just roll it. Done. Sounds so easy. And then also you have a big doors. You can put all kind of stuff. Okay. Now there's a trick here. Also, this, you raise it up. I want to show them. Come over here. Show me. They utilize every door. So even the step, you raise it up. You have a doors, or this door. So you could see how so easy things, you could store things. They don't waste any space. And that's the beauty. Now also, they give you an additional loft bed here. And there's a deep closet. If you notice, there's a deep closet on this bed going that way. So you could put the bed this way or that way. So easy, I could sleep easy, two on the top, two at the bottom. Amazing. So after we've done the bedroom in the back with the projection and the balcony and the living room, walking to the balcony and the kitchen, we're gonna go to the front and show you the front suite. So now you have full king size bed with the hideaway storage and plugs, place for washer and dryer, big closets with shelf and power and light, and then you have place here for vanity, a third TV, because again it comes with a projection and a TV in the living room. Going to the bathroom, you have full standing skylight shower bathroom with a glass door, sink, medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet, you name it. So you could see the 37 RV mile. Isn't it nice? No one has it, and you are the gonna first one have this unit to enjoy the living inside, outside, and special bunk room with the special projections and a big loft. So this in reality sleep two on the top, two on the bottom. This is a Harabed sofa, by the way, another two. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Minimum 8 people are sleep in this fifth one. Price wise, everybody tell me, Niall, come on. I say I will prove it for you. I give you a price no one could match in the state of California. We dominated the state. This side of the country, it's yours. You get to the best and the lowest price. Come to Best RV. No hidden fees. Free get ready package. Make it ready for free. Just buy it and go camping.